Students, how are you? I hope you're doing well and keeping yourself safe. Welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today we are going to start with our chapter, that is the My Elder Brother. It is a class 5th chapter, students. So let's start with this chapter. This short play is about two brothers who are affectionate and respectful to each other. The story also shows that the learning from our days to day experiences is as important as what we learn from books in the school. This play is based on the famous story in Hindi Bade Bhai Saab, written by Munshi Premchand. So let's start with this chapter, students. Scene 1, a hostel room, two brothers aged 9 and 12 years sitting at a study table. The elder brother Bhaiya is reading a book and the younger brother Munna is drawing picture of birds and animal. So here the elder brother is reading book and the small one is drawing picture of birds and animals. Bhaiya, what are you doing, Munna? Munna said, I am drawing. Bhaiya, when will you study? Where you in the morning? I was playing. Bhaiya, how can you sit with a book for hours together? So Munna was saying, how can you sit with the books for hours together? As you know, students, Munna was playing, then his bhaiya asked him that, Munna, what are you doing? Then he told that, I am drawing. Then again bhaiya asked him that, when you will study and when you were in the morning? Then Munna answered that he was playing. The Munna was playing. Then Munna said to his brother that, how can you sit with the books for hours? Bhaiya, that's because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. So what Bhaiya replied? That because I want to make my education strong and as well as my base strong to build a building which stand firmly. Sometimes it takes 2 years to do 1 year work. Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and 3 classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same words 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in a beautiful letters. So what Munna was asking to his brother that you are 5 years older than me and 3 class ahead of me, and he was wondering that why you keep writing the same word 20 times, the same and the same sentences more than 20 times, and copy several times in a beautiful letters. You know, studying English is no child play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject, to speak or write English proper or write English properly. Tremendous effort is required. Sorry, but the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles, fly paper kites, or sit idling away with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study? So what Bhaiya said? Bhaiya said, English is no child's play. One has to work hard in order to learn the subject, to speak or write English. You have to show tremendous efforts tremendous effect to learn English or speak English. But if you but the moment you get chance, the Munna run to the field and play marbles, fly kites, and sit with his friends. So then what his bhaiya said, can't you sit down and study? Munna, oh bhaiya, there is a big mela in village today, should we go? Then what Munna asked to his bhaiya, that there is a big mela in the village today. Have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years, but you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father's hard-earned money. So what did his bhaiya reply, that you have ever seen me going to any fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? You have seen me that I prefer to study a book. The bhaiya replied to Munna that I always prefer to study books and I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years, but you might stay in the same class all of your year. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? Then what his bhaiya told to Munna, you are simply wasting our father's money. Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. Then Munna replied to his bhaiya that I like to go back to home. Now stop crying, put on a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow and get up at dawn. So what his Munna's brother replied, or bhaiya replied, that stop crying and put a very nice smile. Just smile and look, I'll make a timetable for you, and you have to follow that timetable. So here you have seen here, students, the Munna's bhaiya has made a timetable for Munna. But when is the time to play? Then again Munna asked his bhaiya that when is the time to play? Then bhaiya replied, play. What is the need, Munna? Oh, I love the green field, the gentle breeze. I want to jump up like a football. I like the touch and go and to sound of the kabaddi and the hurry and flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. As soon I am on the field, I forgot everything. So you have seen here, students, Munna like to play in the fields and enjoy the gentle breeze and want to play football, volleyball, kabaddi. You have seen here that. Bhaiya, alas, I have failed once again. Then bhaiya replied that I have failed once again. Oh, but bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. Then what happened? Bhaiya got failed and Munna got passed, and he got a topped, and Munna has topped the class also. Now we go to the next line. Bhaiya, but my dear brother, you don't be so proud. You have passed only one class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart. Then what did the bhaiya say? That you have only passed one class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart. Once in a while in a gulli danda game, you might get lucky and hit a goal. So what did bhaiya say? In gulli danda, once and while you might lucky and hit the goal, but does not means you have mastered the game. And then Bhaiya said that you have to work hard to be successful in life. When you have to study subject like algebra and geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. In geometry, if one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is marked wrong. That you know, students. The examiner will not spare you. They want you to learn words by word from the textbook. So, the Bhaiya is saying to Munna that whenever you write wrong, you write instead of ABC, you write ACB. So your answer will be marked wrong by the examiner, and he will not spare you. The examiner wants us to learn the words from the textbooks as it is. Munna, oh bhai sahab, this is scary. I don't think I want to go to the 9th class now, but I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in the class. So what Munna said, oh bhai sahab, this is very scary. And I really don't think I want to go to the 9th class, but still I want to complete my day-to-day homework so that I could not get punishment from the teacher. Just today we were asked to write a short essay on the topic punctuality in 4 pages, and imagine can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's all so mixed up. So what Bhaiya said that he got an homework to write an essay on punctuality in 4 pages, and he said to Munna that you can imagine something being written in 4 pages is still short. All are so mixed up. Munna thinking aloud, thank God it was a time for school, or else the scolding could have gone on and on. The results were out once again, and it was happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. Bhaiya was really upset. Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. So Bhaiya now become gentle with the Munna. Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. Then what Munna said? Oh, I am lucky. I can pass easily. I need no study so hard. Now I can play games with my friends, fly kites, but I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. Now what did the Munna said? That once again I got passed. Now I need not to study so hard. Now I can play games with my friends, fly kites, but I should be still careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. One day a kite is flying slowly downwards. Munna started running in order to grab it. Suddenly he comes face to face with Bhaiya. Catching hold of Munna's hand, are not you ashamed to be playing kites all the day long? Don't you realize that now you are in the 8th class and are not studying in lower class? If you think that I am just 1 class ahead of you and I can't say anything, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you and will always be. Then what did Bhaiya said to Munna? Bhaiya started scolding him that why are you are not ashamed to be playing kites all the day, and don't you realize that now you are in a 8th class? If you then Bhaiya said, if you think that I am just 1 class ahead of you and can't you say anything, that is wrong. I am 5 year, Bhaiya is 5 year older than Munna, and he will be always elder than Munna, and he was making understand Munna that reading books and will be always be. Understanding does not comes only from reading books. Then again Bhaiya said that understanding does not come from the books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed 5th class. Then what he did, what he told that to Munna, that see Papa and Mama, that Mama has not gone to school and Papa has only passed 5th class. Then what Munna said, really Bhaiya, it is true? Then Bhaiya said, yes, there is thousands of things that they know more than us, and even if we have studied the wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will be always have the right to explain us and correct us. So what Bhaiya told, that as you know that Papa and Mama are the elder than us, and they are parents, they are going to explain and correct us all the time whenever we do something wrong. Munna, I don't know Bhaiya, I could tell Baba and he could rush to the hostel. So what Munna said, that I don't know, no Bhaiya, I could tell Baba and he could rush to the hostel. I had expected this answer from you. Now Baba could not get upset. He could first try to find out what was wrong and then he could call a doctor. Baba, could you Baba could know exactly what you do. They have more experience than you. So what Bhaiya said to Munna, that Munna, when you say something to Baba, so like you have said to Baba that if you are falling sick today and Baba will rush to the hostel, you are totally wrong Munna, because Baba will have some other solution for that. He could either call the doctor and could exactly do what exactly Baba could know exactly what to do, because Baba has more experience than us. They have more experience than us. Munna with tears in eyes, Bhaiya, I'm sorry. What you say is true. Then what Munna said to Bhaiya, that Bhaiya, you are always right and you are always true. I also like to play and kite, but if I also play, then how can I watch out for you? You are my responsibilities. Then what Bhaiya said, that I also started playing or flying kites, and then how can I look after you Munna? You are my biggest responsibility. So Munna, what Munna said, I love you Bhaiya. So Munna at last understood that I have to obey my elder brother, because he is more experienced than me and he knows more than me. Now we'll go to the word meaning of this chapter. Foundation, solid base, schedule, timetable, essay, composition of any subject, idle, without any purpose or lazy, mastered, gained, expertise and skilled. What are the things that the Munna liked to do? Munna liked to walk in the green field. He also liked to play marbles and fly paper kites. What did Bhaiya do all day? Bhaiya read all the books. Why was Munna not happy with the timetable that Bhaiya made for him? Because Munna was not happy with the timetable that the Bhaiya made for him, because there was no time to play with the timetable, no time to play in the timetable. How do you think Munna felt when his brother was so strict with him? Why was Bhaiya so strict with him? Because Munna felt like running away and going back home when his brother was so strict with him. Bhaiya was strict with him because he did not study much and instead went out to play with his friends. whose character you think is do you like more, Munna or Bhaiya? Obviously I like Munna character the most because he liked to play and enjoy his life with the complete fun. He is not boring like his brother, who's always like to study and play or study the whole day. So this is about this chapter, students. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you, students.